Good morning, students. Today we are going to start exercise 5.1 of chapter 5, lines and angles. In previous video, we will learn some basic concepts. Let's recall these concepts. First one is complementary angles. If the sum of two angles are 90°, then we can say these two angles are complementary. Next one is supplementary angles. If the sum of two angles, if the sum of two angles are 180°, then we can say these two angles are supplementary angles. Third one is linear pair. Linear pair means pair of angles which form a straight line, or you can say pair of angles whose sum are 180°. Whose sum is 180°, then you can say these two angles form a linear pair. Next one is adjacent angles. Adjacent angles means pair of angles which is in the form if they satisfy three conditions. Adjacent angles means if they satisfies all the three conditions. First one is common vertex. Two angles, suppose we have angle 1 and we have angle 2. Angle 1 and angle 2 have common vertex O. Angle 1 and angle 2 have common arm. Suppose it is OA, OB, OC. OA is the common arm and non-common arms OC and OB are on the opposite sides of common arm. If these three conditions are satisfied, then you can say angles are adjacent. In another way, if angles are given in the form angle 1 and angle 2. Here angle 1 is angle O, angle COA, or angle 2 is COB. COB. Angle is always written in between. These two angles have common vertex O. These two angles have common arm OA, but they don't have non-common arms. Means OC is the common arm. Then you can say these two angles are overlapping, angle 1 and angle 2. OC is the common arm. There are no common arm are on the opposite side of OC. That means they don't share common arm. In this way, angle 1 and angle 2 are not adjacent. Now, let's do exercise 5.1, question number 1. You have to find which pair of angles are complementary and which pairs of angles are supplementary. Complementary means if the sum of angles are 90°, then you can say angles are complementary. Suppose it is given to you 65° and 115°. You have to find the sum of these two angles, 65° plus 115°. Sum of these two angles are 180°. Sum of these two angles are 180°. That means these pair of angles are supplementary. If the sum of two angles are 180°, then the angles are supplementary. Next part is given to you 63° and 27°. You have to find whether these two pair of angles are supplementary or complementary. How can we find? We have to find the sum of these two angles. 63° plus 27°. 63 plus 27 is 90°. Sum of two angles are 90°. Then we can say these pair of angles are complementary. Next part is given to you 112° and 68°. Now sum of these two angles, 112° plus 68°. 8 plus 2 is 10. 6 plus 1, 7 plus 1, 8. 180°. Sum of these two angles are 180°. So we can say these two angles are supplementary. In this way, you can find out which pair of angles are supplementary and which pairs of angles are complementary. Let's move to next question. Question number 2. In question number 2, you have to find the angle which is equal to its complement. Find the angle which is equal to its complement. Means angle and its complement angle both are equal. It is given in the question. Find the angle which is equal to its complement. That means angle and its complement angle both are equal. Let the equal angles are x degree. Now condition is given its complement. Complement means sum of these two angles are 90 degree. X degree plus x degree which is equals to 90 degree. As we are given condition, these two angles are complementary. X plus x is 2x degree which is equals to 90 degree. Now we can find the x angle. 90 degree divided by 2, that is 45 degree. Now the angle and its complement angle both are equal to 45 degree. Complement angle and the angle both are equal to 45 degree. Now if we find the sum, 45 plus 45, that is equal to 90 degree. Means these two angles are equal and these two angles form a complement. Let's move to next question. In question number 3, find the angle which is equal to its supplement. That means angle and its supplement angle both are equal and you have to find the angle. So in this question, let the equal angles be x degree and x degree. Now condition is given, both the angles are supplement. Supplement means sum of these two angles are 180 degree. So we can write it as x degree plus x degree which is equals to 180 degree. Now the condition is given, angles are supplement. X degree plus x degree which is equals to 2x degree equals to 180 degree. Now x degree can be found. 180 degree divided by 2, that is equals to 90 degree. So angle which is equals to 90 degree and the supplement angle which is also equals to x degree and the value of x degree is 90 degree. Now we find the angle and its supplement angle both are equal and equals to 90 degree. Let's move to next question. Question number 4. In question number 4, you have to find the sum of measure of two supplementary angles are. We read, sum of two supplementary angles are 180 degree. In next part, sum of the measure of two complementary angles. Complementary angles means sum of measure of two angles are 90 degree. Angles of a linear pair are dash and dash. Angles of a linear pair. We read linear pair angles that form a straight lines means sum of these two angles are, suppose it is 1, it is 2. Angle 1 and angle 2 form a linear pair as they form a straight line. So angle 1 plus angle 2 which is equals to 180 degree. Now 180 degree, when sum of two angles are 180 degree, known as supplementary angles. Now, angle 1 and angle 2 both are adjacent angles as they have common vertex, they have common arm and the non-common arms are on the opposite sides of the common arm. So, angles of a linear pair are adjacent as well as supplementary angles. In next part, adjacent angles have a common vertex and a common, second condition is adjacent angles have common vertex, second condition is common arm and no common interior point and no common interior point. Vertically opposite angles are, we read vertically opposite angles. If two lines cross each other, then the angles opposite to each other are equal. These are known as vertically opposite angles. And the vertically opposite angles are always equal. So next part, vertically opposite angles are always equal. Let's move to next question. Question number 5. Out of a pair of complementary angles, means pair of angles are complementary, that means sum of two angles are 90 degree. One angle is 2/3 of the other angle. Suppose one angle is, let one angle be x degree, then the other angle be 2/3 of the other angle. Other angle be 2/3 of the one angle. So you have given out of a pair of complementary angles, means these two angles are complementary. Complementary angles means sum of two angles are 90 degree. Now x degree plus 2/3 x degree, which is equals to 90 degree. Condition is given, angles are complementary. Now you can take LCM. 3 plus 1 is 3. Now 3x degree plus 2x degree, which is equals to 90 degree. 3 plus 2 is 5x degree divided by 3. 5x degree divided by 3, which is equals to 90 degree. Now we can find the value of x. 5/3 is a multiplier. So when it moves to right hand side, it becomes reciprocal. 90 degree multiplied by 3 divided by 5. Now 5 ones are 5. 5 eights are 40. 18 threes are 54. So one angle is 54. You have to find the angles. One angle and the another angle. One angle which is equals to 54 degree. Now you have to find the other angle. Other angle is 2/3 of the first angle. 2/3 of the first angle, which is equals to 54 degree. Now 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3. 18. 18 twos are 36 degree. Now one angle is 54 degree and the another angle is 36 degree. In this way you can find the angles. Now condition is given, out of a pair of complementary angles. You can check these two pairs of angles are complementary or not. How can we find sum of these two angles? 54 degree plus 36 degree, which is equals to 90 degree. Now when the sum of two angles are 90 degree, then the pair of angles are complementary. So we have to find one angle 54 degree and the another angle is 36 degree. Thank you.